Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel, Chloe! So, today we're going to do a really fun video. Chloe is normally behind the scenes. She's my amazing, phenomenal social media manager and makeup artist. She's so talented. Honestly, this girl is amazing. So today we're going to do something so fun. I'm going to do her makeup. Yay! Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I honestly can't wait.
I honestly love doing makeup. I'm not a pro at all. I only do my makeup occasionally when I can't, use Chloe, or if I'm traveling, or if someone's not available, I do it myself. But I do enjoy the process, and Chloe's been encouraging me to experiment. So today I'm going to do her makeup. Hopefully it's going to look nice. If not, we're going to learn.
Yes.
Right?
Can't wait.
Yes. So please, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we get started, please remember to subscribe. Like this video if you enjoy it, and comment below. Let us know your feedback. Let us know what you think of Chloe's makeup, or my makeup today. What do you like to use for priming your face?
Well, right now I'm so into the Honey Balm.
Product plug.
I'm really. It's just a good primer.
It is. It is a really good primer.
It's an amazing primer.
It really is. Okay, just help me
I have a very soft touch.
Really?
Yeah.
Perfect. You're done! Just kidding. Should I put the rose oil with my hands or the brush?
Better with the brush.
The brush. Okay, cool. Wishful Get Even Rose Oil. So just take a few drops. Look how beautiful that is. Look at how and it's got healing properties, and Chloe's been using this for a while.
Yes,
How do you
I've been
feel?
testing for 2 weeks now,
Mm-hmm.
and my skin just healed. I used to have lots of acne, and now I feel like it's just getting so much better.
That's
And
amazing.
it my skin heal so much faster, which is incredible.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. So we have an amazing blank canvas to start with. Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Custard. So we'll add a little tiny dab of this. So I love Kevin Aquan's little tiny foundation brush. I think because I'm still an amateur, I like to apply with a smaller brush. It helps me with the precision. So don't laugh at my application style. Okay, so next, should I put concealer or do I put powder first?
You will put the concealer
First.
Yes.
Okay. So for concealer, we're going to use the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and we're going to mix it with a little bit of Hourglass because I like to mix everything. So we're going to mix. This is shade Sugar Biscuit, and now we're going to add Cedar and Hourglass. Okay, so I'm going to just add a little bit of concealer. Is this the right way to apply?
No, it's how you feel, It's all about how you feel. You're the artist. There's no right or wrong. Just have to cover the under eye.
Oh my god,
Yeah. Don't be
excited.
Exactly.
So I'm just gonna fan you in between because I like to go a little extra.
So extra.
Okay, so we're gonna use the banana bread from Huda Beauty EASYBAKE setting powder. Is that what you use?
Yeah, sure.
Or do you or do you use pound cake?
I don't want to tell you everything. I want you to just walk it out.
Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of both. I'm gonna use pound cake under your eye.
Sure.
And banana bread.
I think it's a great color.
Face.
Really good. Yeah.
Is that what you do?
I'm not saying.
Chloe!
I don't want to influence you. I think you didn't know.
Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of the pound cake under your eye. Oh, sorry. I'm nervous now. I'm so worried. No refund, okay? So how do I apply the powder all over your face? Do you usually do that or no?
Yeah, sure. So you just take a fluffy brush.
A fluffy big
brush. Something like that,
okay.
For instance. And you can just take a bit more powder and just...
Okay, so now we're going to put the banana bread a little bit.
Mm-hmm. And just go for it.
Yeah. Do you do that? I feel
yes.
I see people on YouTube do that.
Just to remove the excess.
For a drama maybe.
No. So it doesn't go all over your clothes.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, that feels nice.
Does it? You like it?
Okay, great. That's a big mistake to forget the neck in the makeup artistry world.
I know.
But it's okay.
Okay, let's do it now.
Yeah, you can just do it quickly.
Where's that brush? Okay.
No,
Can you put your neck up a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of foundation so we can blend out the color.
Mm-hmm.
This is a big mistake, but it's okay. We're fixing it.
We're fixing it.
We caught it and we're fixing it. Okay.
Perfect.
Yes, okay. Okay, cool.
Great.
I think we're good. So I forgot to put your this one.
Okay.
I forgot to use this.
The pencil,
Oh.
the bronzer.
Yeah, I forgot to use your tan first, so we're gonna have to do powder.
Sure.
Because I can't add cream on top of powder, right?
Exactly.
It'll be pretty messy, right?
Yeah. It's up to
Should we
you.
try it?
If you want, yeah, try it. I mean, what can happen, you know?
I might have to start over. So, Huda, don't judge me because I know I'm doing this the wrong way, but it's okay. We're gonna have fun. And you're gonna look good in the end.
Exactly.
Probably.
I really don't mind which road you take
You're
in.
so beautiful, you're gonna look good no matter what. So this is the shade Fair.
Cool.
Actually, it's okay.
Yeah. It's
It isn't ideal, of course, but it's okay.
Okay.
I'm just putting a little bit.
Sure.
Because it's like a cream to powder, right? Kind of finish. I'm just gonna add a little bit here too. Yeah, like the Mona signature look.
Okay, cool.
It's not like, I wouldn't call it basic, but it's simple, it's easy, like it's just, yeah. Like you're pretty much done.
I want the lashes.
No, you'll definitely get the lashes. You'll definitely get the lashes. So next, I'm going to add a little bit of blush.
Yay, I love blush.
So I love this palette. This is the KKW Beauty blush palette, which I actually bought recently because Chloe introduced me to it. And look at this beautiful shades, the super large pans. Love it so much. So I'm gonna mix a few of the shades because of course I like to mix everything. And
How do you feel?
I think I'm gonna do this and this today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Smile.
okay. Okay. So how old were you when you first started to apply makeup?
I'm sorry. to blow my nose.
Can I change makeup? This one is weird. So what else do you know in French? What can you tell me in French?
My favorite phrase, oh sorry, just get this hair off. Okay. My favorite phrase is Je voudrais un café au lait s'il vous plaît.
Very nice. So
I want a coffee, please. Coffee with milk.
Yes, that's right. So cute.
Yeah, I have to know how to say I would like a coffee in every language because I'm a coffee addict. So next, we're going to use our Huda Beauty highlighter.
So pretty.
Nymph, and this is something we launched recently exclusively to our shop site on hudabeauty.com. We've been using this a lot, as you guys can see the flowers like almost down. They're a really strong highlighter.
Nice.
Are you nervous, Chloe?
I'm not nervous. I feel very calm actually.
Really?
Yeah. I feel like you kind of know what you're doing.
Kind of.
Yeah.
I do kind of know what I'm doing. Honestly, complexion's like the part I struggle with the most. I get really nervous. Even when doing my own makeup, like that's the one that I feel like, I always feel not as confident. I need to master it, but
It's normal to feel nervous.
it's hard.
The first time I did your
Complexion's
makeup, I was freaking out.
What?
Of course.
No, you weren't.
I was.
Stop it. You were
And
not.
I left your office and I was thinking,
When was the first
never
time?
call me again. It's so
Stop
bad.
it. You're so talented.
Yeah, but what?
When was the first time? I'm trying to remember.
No, actually, it was on a shoot for the Power Bullets.
Was it?
The throwback
it
collections.
has a blonde
And
wig.
had the blonde, yeah. And had to do 90s makeup and had to do this very sharp eyebrow.
I
on
loved
Moda.
that makeup.
She looked so stunning.
I
but thought-
loved that makeup, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I loved it. You did such a great job.
I mean,
Okay, I'm gonna do eyeshadow first, just because
Yeah.
sometimes I get it
the brows are
on the
hard,
brows.
actually.
Sometimes brows are hard.
Hard to do sometimes.
I really am not good at brows. That's why I have like some microbladed brow parts because it makes it easier for me. Because before I microbladed my brows, they were like not even related.
I can right now.
Like they weren't twins, they weren't cousins, they were like they weren't even the same nationality. They were like very, very different. But yeah, that's why I microbladed them. So I don't know how this is going to turn out today.
Microblade mine?
So we are going to start with the Huda Beauty Melted Shadows in shade Double Plum Latte, which is my favorite. probably need to restock soon because I go through this baby like so fast. Can you look towards me and close your eyes?
Sure.
So the thing is, you don't have a lot of playtime when it comes to this eyeshadow. Sorry, can you face this?
Sure.
You don't have a lot of time to play. It dries very fast. So as soon as you apply it, make sure you blend it in well.
It's so quick, yeah.
Yeah, I love, this is why I love it, because it's just so quick to apply and like just two, you know, you put this on, you put that on, and you're done. So do the other eye now.
Is that the one you use for yourself the most?
This is my signature look.
Okay.
So yeah, this is, oh shit, I just hit your eyebrow. I'm sorry, Chloe. Let me try and get that out before it dries.
What can happen?
You have insurance, right? So next I'm gonna add the drop top on her lid only.
Very fantastic.
I know like sometimes you have to like put a tissue between the client's face, right? Some people do that.
Oh, I could like spongy.
Yeah, the spongy thingy. How do you do that? Oh, this thingy.
Yes, that thingy.
Ah. There you go. Now I gotta use it. There you go. And so I'm gonna use the double pump latte side just on the bottom of the eyes. This is what I do typically when I do my makeup. And like disclaimer guys, like I admit it, I really am terrible with brows. Like that's why I got my brows microbladed and that's why I don't really do too much with them. Even when I do my own makeup, I just put barely anything on top.
Yeah.
Anastasia Dip Brow and Soft Brown and a little bit of this Urban Decay Inked Brow gel.
Right.
Can you look towards me? Yeah, thank you, honey.
Not really. Yeah, nothing crazy, no.
Okay, so my trick using the life liner, because this is like definitely more of like a pro eyeliner, it's a bit hard to use on the liquid side, the brush. I use a separate brush, a curved brush, and then I find it much easier to apply. So now I'm gonna tight line your eyes.
Okay, great.
This could ruin everything. So typically I would, do you mind looking up? Oh no. Your eye is like blinking out of control. Oh no, that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna apply a little bit of liner just at the ends.
Cool.
I like to apply lashes with tweezers, and I also use tweezers to take them out of the actual like lash tray. Otherwise, sometimes I can like rip them when I'm trying to take them out.
I close all of them.
I think look down just like that. Can you open, honey? Maybe? Again? Oh, now it's even worse. Add a little bit of our Huda Beauty Legit mascara, and I'm just gonna add a little bit. Can you look a little bit higher?
Sure. Okay.
A little bit higher. Thank you. Aw, well, you are amazing. Woohoo! Okay, so
What do you have in mind?
I'm gonna do, I mean, again, just doing my basic look. So I'd like to do Bombshell. Bombshell, yes, perfect. I think we can use Prom Night.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Prom Night's okay. So we're using our Power Bullet, Huda Beauty Power Bullet in shade Prom Night. Ta-da!
Is it nice?
Let me
put
put a
some,
little bit of setting spray. Do you want Glow Coco or Resting Blossoms?
Glow Coco.
Glow Coco. Let's do Glow Coco.
And gonna have some KAYALI speak?
Of course.
Maybe like what, hair mix?
Yes, of course. Okay, I'm gonna first apply the Glow Coco.
Okay, cool.
Close your eyes.
Sure.
So I'm gonna add our KAYALI hair mist in Deja Vu to her hair, because I do think you gotta have your hair smelling beautiful when you go out. I mean, for me,
Such a nice way to
honestly,
finish the glam.
right? For me, honestly, like, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I have to spray myself with perfume and hair mist and everything before I go out. So I'm also gonna spray her with some perfume.
Yay!
Deja vu.
Deja vu.
So I think we're done.
Awesome.
How
do you feel?
I feel great,
Yeah.
but I want you to feel happy. Can you look?
No, but how do you feel
here?
about the way I look?
I mean, you're so gorgeous. I couldn't make you look bad. I do think I need to work on like symmetry.
That's good. No, look, those eyes, honestly. I mean, the liner. No, it's good. Honestly, I like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Do
it's
you
very
really?
nice.
Will you book me?
Yeah, book anytime.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, like it if you had fun and you enjoyed this. Make sure to show love to Chloe.
Thank
She's
you.
incredible. She's been so amazing to work with, and I love her so much. So show her some love, and please in the comments let us know if you enjoyed this video. If you have any tips for me as for when I do my makeup, and let us know also what you want to see in our next videos. So for our quote of the day, we're gonna I don't know where that came from. So for our quote of the day, it's by Blake Lively, and it's the most beautiful thing you can wear is confidence. And I totally agree, because if you're not confident, no matter how much makeup you have on, no matter how beautiful you are, it will show through, and vice versa is true as well. Like if you are confident and you don't have any makeup on, and maybe you're not attractive to people's opinions, if you're confident, you'll be attractive no matter what. So work on yourself, feel good about yourself, and make sure you radiate confidence, because that's what's magnetic and attractive more than anything. And you can always have fun with makeup too.
So wise.
Thank
you, Huda. Have the best time.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
Thank you. I love you more. All right. Love you guys.
Bye.
Mwah.